Good morning. My name is Frank Oelschlager. I'm the CTO for SOALogix. Figure this out. SOALogix is an integration software company. Our core belief is that integration should serve as a catalyst rather than as an obstacle to business agility. And we've brought to market a platform that leverages SOA and WOA standards and technologies that solves for a complete integration capability across a wide spectrum of different kinds of styles of integration, whether it's a ETL style physical data movement or you need data services that can be orchestrated into a complex business process that spans multiple functions across an enterprise overall. Our customers tend to be Fortune 500 customers that have very complex business processes and need to create the ability to integrate across different types of applications with different styles of integration, from data services all the way through to process orchestrated implementations of interfaces to their different systems overall. Okay. I don't know what button I pushed last time. Okay. So the way we've approached this is the idea that classical data integration really misses a lot of the value that's available in information, and information really being data that's in context. And what you find is that data lives in a lot of different places in the enterprise, in various different kinds of applications, COTS applications, legacy, custom systems, and then you've also got data today living out in cloud applications, whether it's hosted via an ASP or in a SaaS style offering. And so what we have is a semantic information model that allows you to collect all the metadata for these informations and really the interactions between the data that produce the information so that you can bring it together. Confero is the name of our product. And create information with it that you can then use at your business process layer, orchestrating, attach your business rules to it, and also use events of interest within the enterprise to really create the ability to get to the business agility and not have to go back and have a really hard problem of examining multiple places and multiple layers anytime that you have either a change in the business or one of the applications, maybe you do a version upgrade or something like that. Our products are available both in software and hardware solutions, and there's some very specific reasons that customers would go for a hardware solution. Usually it is when you have very high throughput of XML style data, and or you have encryption needs. And the hardware platform that we have has an onboard processor that does both XML processing as well as encryption processing, so that the memory and the CPU are freed up to run the business processes and the service orchestrations, and you can move a lot of data through that way. That's not required for all of our customers, and many implementations are just fine with a regular software style package, so that you can get to the interoperability that you need across the different applications within the enterprise. The tooling that we've brought out with the product makes it very easy to install and to implement different types of services and integrations and interfaces themselves. Whether you're creating a data access service on a non-SOA based application, or you're wiring together web services from SaaS applications into on-premise applications, there is tooling. There's a product we have called Path Studio that is entirely graphical and visual and makes the problem of managing the metadata and the semantics of the data to get to an information product very easy. One of the things that we've done that's fairly unique in the market is we offer what we call SurePath to our customers, and that really protects everybody against the idea of running a system upgrade and then having to go back and repurchase from a vendor the data access services, or even classical adapter style technologies. And this is offered as a part of our subscription service, which is our licensing model for the software overall. And as an example, one of our customers that's been using our software for about 4 years now has processed no less than 3 upgrades to their SAP system and incurred no additional cost to keep their process orchestrations and their integrations that are essentially driving all of their plant operations across their enterprise. We also offer integration services with a deep expertise in how to approach SOA style integrations across really complex scenarios. And then there's a quick path offering that we also provide that allows our customers to sort of dip their toe in the water, as it were, and gain some experience with what would an SOA style integration look like for their specific needs that they're trying to get to. And that allows them really to take the deliverables from that and use our products and technologies to build that out, or even just to build an understanding of what it would look like as opposed to doing it in traditional ways of integration. Okay, so some of the things that we do that give us a little bit of an advantage in the market and that our customers really like overall is that it's a complete integration solution. You don't have to use multiple types of products and technologies and different platforms and wire them all together. So if you need to have data services, data virtualization, you need to federate different pieces of data together to create an information product, and then orchestrate all of that within a business process, attach some business rules to it, and also allow it to respond to events. It's all there and available within the platform, within the products and the technology that's there, so that you don't have to wire all of those pieces together. They're available and they already work together, and they allow you as the customer to really concentrate on what it is that you're trying to solve, rather than trying to solve for how to make the technology itself work together. The visual design environment has a lot of experience that we've gained over the years in the market in doing this kind of integration in the form of wizards and process templates and things like that, that actually will help steer the IT developer in the right direction to approach SOA integration. You know, one of the things that you hear the analysts write about a lot is the skill gap in IT for SOA. And it really is there, and having a product that allows, kind of walks a developer and IT person, into the right way, the right methodology of using things like canonical information models to separate the business processes from the physical semantics of the data are very important, and allow our customers to be very successful with the products on the first go around overall. Thanks very much.